Can't you access ChatGPT in your country? Welcome again, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. For sure, ChatGPT made a breakthrough in the world of the modern technology and the artificial intelligence, and it helps us in our online business. However, if you can't access the well-known ChatGPT in your country, what are you supposed to do? Don't mess with it, because in this video I would like to show you some amazing alternatives where you can generate high-quality outputs and outstanding content that you can use in your blog business, YouTube business, and social media. And now let's get started. And we can begin with the first website for today, that is ChatSonic. It's the most recent version of ChatGPT where you can get the most recent data, even today's new. And of course, ChatSonic is a branch of the WriteSonic.com. And for sure, WriteSonic.com is one of the biggest players in the IA tool industry, where you can generate high quality copies for your blog business, YouTube, and social media marketing campaigns. As here, after making a free account here on WriteSonic.com, here you can find this amazing feature, ChatSonic. And the best thing here on ChatSonic, here you can select and decide to whom you want to talk to get accurate answers and precise conversation. For example, just you can head to this one, change mode, and here you can find a lot of types of robots that you want to talk to get accurate answers. For math teachers regarding the math problems and equations and so on. For interviewers, English translator, travel guide for cities and for places over the world, stand-up comedian for comedy and for memes and so on, motivational coach, relationship coach, poet that gives you a lot of poems and songs, philosopher, astrologer, career counselor, accountant, doctor, dentist, and personal trainer, and so on. So according to your topic that you want to generate a high quality content, so you can select your own robot. For example, I want to get a creative poem, so you can select this one, poet, start chat, and therefore I want to get a poem about love my girlfriend, for example. So give me a creative for my girlfriend. Give me a creative poem for my girlfriend. Just you can make sure that you select poet. Okay, start chat and click over this arrow. And just a few seconds. As you see, amazing one for your girlfriend is that you can turn into a song and so on. As you see, your smile is like a ray of sun, a light that sun shines on everyone, and so on and so forth. And that way you can use ChatSonic for everyone who is struggling to access the well-known ChatGPT in his country. So the first website is ChatSonic. And the second website is a mind-blowing one, that is Cactus AI. And of course, Cactus AI is mainly established for teachers and students to reimagine schooling and increase the learning effectiveness and engagement between teachers and their students. In addition, here in Cactus AI, it presents a lot of learning preferences for every single student. And of course, you can use Cactus AI if you are not a student. So after making a free account here on Cactus AI, your account will be loaded with 20,000 credits. And each one credit equals to one word that you have generated here on this amazing platform. And if you want to use this amazing website limitlessly, so there are two options. The first one, you can depend on the referral program provided by this amazing website. So you can refer many friends and students to this amazing platform. Therefore, for every single friend you want to bring to this amazing website, you will get 10,000 credits. Or you can go further and become a premium user here on Cactus AI with unlimited credits just for $10. Anyway, just you can make a free account here on Cactus AI. Here you can generate a lot of content regarding the academic topics like website development, coding issues, and some writing tasks and so on. As seen in these templates, for writing you can essay writer, paragraph generator, for essay, for paragraph, for personal statement writer, discussion questions, YouTube to essay, TED Talk to essay, for coding topics like Python, Java writer, JavaScript writer, C++, Go writer, TypeScript, and so on and so forth. So you can use that for free in your limit of 20,000 credits, as you see. Okay, well, and the third website for today quickly is HyperWrite.com, HyperWriteAI.com. And honestly, it is one of the underrated websites for AI business. Here you can generate a lot of templates and contents for your social media, YouTube, and blog, and so on. So after making a free account here on HyperWrite AI, here you can find a lot of features. As you see, you can get credit for rewrite your article and your content. You can get any content 100 a day, and a lot of these templates, okay, like summarizer, generate essay introduction, flexible auto write, rewrite content, and so on. And that's for our today's topic about the alternative for ChatGPT. Here you can find the most recent feature here in HyperWrite, which is HyperChat. And if you're a free user, you can get up to 5 generations a month, as you see, or you can get unlimited generations just for $20 a month. Anyway, just you can try HyperChat for free. Okay. And just here you can ask him anything as you want, any topic in any field. For example, like the previous example, give me for my country, for example, whatever it is, India, Egypt, Denmark, Sweden, United States, and so on. Therefore, you can click enter. And just a few seconds, it gives you an amazing and creative poem for your country, as you see. The sun rises in the east, a new day from my country to feast, the birds sing in the trees, and so on and so forth, as you see. Well, and the last website I recommend for you as an alternative to ChatGPT is Jasper Chat. It's like ChatGPT in everything except it's accessible in every nook and cranny. Moreover, Jasper Chat is superior to ChatGPT because it's built even for business use cases like marketing and sales and so on. So to wrap up, you can use ChatGPT in different other accessible forms like HyperWrite Chat or ChatSonic and Cactus AI and eventually Jasper Chat AI. Just you can give it a try for free. Afterwards, you can sign up to one of its premium pricing plans. Thus, don't limit yourself if you're struggling to access the ChatGPT in your country. Instead, you got many awesome websites you have to try right now to up-level your business, whatever it is. Social media marketing, print on demand, affiliate marketing, writing articles, and etc. And this is I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.